Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me once again. We're looking at question number 10 on the Fermat paper from 2005. If 50% of P equals 20% of Q, then P as a percent of Q is... Okay. So we want a percent. So we got things like 60%, 20%, 250% even. So we want P as a percent of Q. Well, how would we calculate P as a percent of Q? Well, if I knew what P and Q were, I could just multiply 100% by the fraction P over Q. So that's how it would work. This is how we convert from fractions to percentages, and that's what we would like. Now, how can we get P and Q? Well, I don't think we can actually calculate what P and Q are, but we do have a nice relationship between them. We're told that 50% of P is 20% of Q. Now, these are sort of phrases, but 50% of something, how do we convert from percents back to fractions or back to actual numbers? We divide our percent by 100%, percents are out of 100, and we multiply by P. 50% of P is 50% over 100% times P. I like to think of percents as units in that they then cancel out. That's how you know you set up the equation right. So 20%, we do 20% divided by 100% times Q, and so we're left with 0.5P equals 0.2Q. So if I want, say, everything in terms of P, I'd multiply both sides by 2. We'd get P is equal to 0.4Q. So now the percent that we want is 100% times, well, now I don't need P. I can do 1.4Q over Q. So this is 100% of, well, the Q's cancel out. 100% times 0.4, and that's going to be 40%. So I think that was C. Yeah, it was C. Fantastic. Good memory. Good memory. So C is our answer. And that does it for part A of the Fermat paper. We're going to really take a look at question 11, the very first question in part B in the next video. And if we get that right, we get 6 points. I'll see you guys there.